Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. The video today is going to be DIY Valentine's Day cards. This particular DIY will take less than 5 minutes to create depending on the design you're going to be making. For more awesome videos, subscribe, give a big thumbs up, and comment down below any video ideas as well. Without further ado, let's get started with the DIY. To initiate with our DIY Valentine's Day cards, I will be using some basic stuff I already had from construction paper and colorful pens. This card I'm going to be creating right now can be done on cardstock as well. For a cute and good quality card, I recommend using cardstock for the best results. If you don't have this kind of paper, then you can use any type of paper you have at home. The first thing I will be doing with this construction paper is folding it in half as any other craft paper I've done in my channel. And if you want to make this DIY project a lot easier, then you can just fold both of the papers at the same time than just taking the other paper layer and folding it. The first thing I'm going to be taking my construction paper I folded already. I'm taking my pencil to create some hearts. I'm going to create some scattered hearts around the paper just so it can be a little bit more designed and creative. So if you want to add more designs, then you can just add like polka dots, little hearts, balloons, or little pictures you can do. And on the front page of the paper as the title, I'm going to be doing Happy Valentine's Day. And as you can see right now, happy is in lowercase letters. And right now I'm going to be erasing that and putting it in capital letters just so it can relate to the theme that I want. So right now I'm just tracing over the Happy Valentine's Day words with a purple pen and just doing that as nearly as possible. And so if you want a little bit more cute card, then you have to take your time, be patient on what you really want to do. And right now I'm taking my eraser to erase all the marks I made with my pencil at first. Then I'm going to be outlining the Valentine's Day words with the purple pen again and doing that as so. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my pencil's eraser and erase all the marks I've made when writing Valentine's Day. I'm taking my paper made colorful pens and tracing in the hearts with pink ink and erasing all the hearts once again when I drew in the hearts. And I'm drawing some little designs into the hearts and coloring all the hearts I drew, so they're supposed to be like scattered hearts around the card. Moving on, I took my pink pen again and dabbed some polka dots around the Happy Valentine's Day words title just to add a little bit more descriptive details. At the bottom right, I wrote by Jane, who wrote it, that was me. On the inside of the card, I wrote Dear blank, so dear someone. Under dear, I wrote a message starting off with I wish you have a. You can write a message talking about Valentine's Day or a message talking about that particular friend you want to write this card to. And I also drew some hearts and gift bags under the message. Moving on to our last DIY Valentine's Day card, I planned out to draw some hearts going vertical. And for the title, I did a similar thing I did with my first DIY, Happy Valentine's Day, something basic. And I also put on some hearts besides the title, some little hearts, and I colored it in with purple ink, as you can see. So I did a pink card and a purple card. You can add more design if you want to later. For the inside of the card, I wrote a message talking about family and so on. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That's missjanemedia25. Bye.